What's up, guys? It's Noah Hackworth here, and I'm back with the Hoover Total Home Pet after refurbishment. So I dried them with I dried the parts with paper towels after I took them out of the dishwasher because I don't use heat. I only use heated dry for rare occasions. So anyway, I got it all over with. So anyway, however, the brush roll is rattling a little, but I've heard it happens with many Hoover vacuums like these. So anyways, here's the result. It's probably going to be loud, so I may turn down your volume or so. Alright, well, it does pretty well. Anyway, that does it for the video. Comment if you have any questions.